2020. It's going to start off sad. Grab you some tissue, get you a cold beer, put the remote down. It's not going to start off good. But opening morning, I got property, Danville. We go down there, we set up opening morning on a buck that we had coming in on trail camera. We had him coming in daylight hours, early morning. We get down there, we set up, hoping to catch him with his pants down, no pressure all summer long. Just catch him heading back to that bedding area, put an arrow through him, and be done. In Ohio, opening morning, what we got? We got a high pressure day, south wind, which is our wind is heading out that way. Everything is going to either come from here, come below us, maybe come in front of us, but for the most part, our wind is pretty good right here. Trail camera, we got a, call him 9-blade, good mass on him, mature. We come down here for this morning for him, so we're hoping that he come cruises by, catch him off guard, have been pressured all summer long, so. We come down in July, filled up the feeder, set out the trail camera, trophy rod, got all that ready. You're watching the Will Hunt life. Bang frame rate. Oh yeah, he's big. He's coming right here. He's coming where the decoy was last year. Right there. Okay, you got him. You got him or not? Yes. You recording? Oh man, where'd he go? You got him good. I don't see him right now. I'm on. There. Oh, don't move, don't move, don't move. He's standing there. No, he's gone. It's been many, many years since I missed a whitetail. Opening morning in Ohio. Big, beautiful, mature 8-point. And I jerked. I pulled the shot. I don't think I spooked him too bad. He went back. Brian's got it on camera. He went back and smelt the arrow. I was trying to load another arrow. We'll have to watch the footage. I think I had good distance. Height-wise, I don't know. It hit in front of him, didn't it? 44 yards. I put 40 yards just a touch high, and I jerked it. Buck 1, bow 0. Oh, I was pumped. I wanted him bad. Man, he was beautiful. Well, I've always said they don't show enough misses on TV. That's my, gonna keep it real. Opening morning in Ohio. Oh. Oh. So, clean miss. I went home, cried, got in a fetal position, but then I got my bow back out. What I'm doing is trying to build my confidence back up. Opening morning, jerked my bow, sneezed, had a small seizure, who knows? I missed. Good up and down, bad left and right. So I'm out here just trying to build my confidence up. This is November 5th. Saturday, we had about a 145 mature buck come in, as I'm drawing my bow, I didn't have the confidence there. Major breakdown up here in the tree. And that's what I'm out here today, just building that up to when that moment comes around that I'll be ready. Confidence here, I'm lacking it out there. Fast forward to November 7th, and we have a nice one coming in. Got 2 does below us browsing, and he's gonna walk right in. That's dead deer walking right there. I'm not taking my eyes off of him. He's still walking. Look like good blood was coming out his right side. We come down here this morning, November 7th. Set the decoy up. We got a south wind. We set 80 yards with a southwest wind yesterday right there. And we kept getting a glimpse of a big one right here bumping does. We're sitting here with no B-roll. I tapped Brian on the leg. I said 2 does to my left. And I looked down in that thicket and all I saw was rat coming through. Man, he's nice. What, I mean, he had stickers and kickers everywhere. He was scent checking them bad boys. Hopefully that's the last time he scent checks anything. We're gonna sit back and relax. Try to get my legs a good shaking. That was awesome. I put that arrow, I thought, right in the pocket. In my mind, he was already back at the house in the freezer mounted on the wall. We never found him. We found blood for probably 300 yards, never did recover him. And so that's episode 2 of my 2020 season, and it can only get better, right? Wrong. Now I get a text saying that the property that I've been on to and hunted and knew like the back of my hand, sold. 10 years gone, and there was nothing I can do about it. I'm thinking public land, I gotta change gears and get things moving because my season's ending quick. Luckily, I got a friend, he gave me a call. He's got 60 acres. I can come in, I set up the redneck, I got food plots out, I got the trail cameras running. I'm just waiting on a good one to show up, and hopefully I can kill this one. Christmas morning, it's cold, it's nasty, it's dumping snow, and it's going to continue to dump snow. To me, they are going to come in. We've been having a couple good ones on them Spartan cameras show up, and I'm thinking with this cold front, this snap, that he's going to walk in tonight. He has to eat. December 25th, Christmas afternoon. Spartan tells me yesterday at 3 o'clock, had a decent one coming through, crossing this corner right here, going up to, there's a cornfield up there, not much left on it, but it's still standing. bunch of them crossing. We got the turkeys, we got everything else. It's cold, it's nasty, snowing, but squalls will come through and then all of a sudden it quits and then it starts dumping again. It hasn't snowed right now in the last 20 minutes, but we're in Ohio. So we're sitting here till dark, and hopefully he comes through. We'll get some action here in a little bit. It has been a crappy year. If you look up crappy in the dictionary, there's me with my Matthews. But I've been getting, he's not no monster by no means, but he is probably the oldest deer on this property. And he was down below me bumping does from 4 o'clock on. And I just stuck him at 50 yards. Oh, I think he's dead. I think he's dead. I'm praying hard, amen. Self-filming in Ohio. Will hunt life just got real. Christmas, baby. My first one. And it's been a bad year. Opening morning. I'm sure Josh Poino is going to show you. Missed one, opening morning, whiffed him 44 yards. November 7th, stuck one, put the arrow exactly where I was aiming. Never found him. Tracked him a couple hundred yards, quit bleeding, nothing. We looked till probably 2:30, 3 o'clock that afternoon, nothing. We had to get off the property. We had permission to be on there for that limited time, get in, get out. I understand, so. And nothing up to tonight, nothing. Bunch of does, bunch of young ones. I was looking for a big one, but you can't kill a big one if you don't have a big one. So I went the next best thing, mature. Nasty night, snow's dumping. It's been doing it off and on all day, and it's jumping right now. We did not take the camera with him on the recovery. Walked up on him, got him in a position where we got some lights back here. It's just bad out. We're in Ohio, and it's dumping. I'm tickled. Good friend of mine, William, said, come on out. His boy killed, he killed. We got all that, they're done. So the property was mine. This was buck of choice. Christmas. Can I get an amen? I'm out.